Today, I will show you how to scan a spoiler using the Creality Raptor 3D scanner. In this video, I am using AI voiceover because I am still taking my first steps in creating this kind of content. If you have recently purchased the same 3D scanner and found that your computer cannot detect it, I have a short video on this topic on my YouTube channel. In short, the best solution to this problem is to install Windows 10 or 11 on a separate hard drive to work with the 3D scanner. It is important to never connect this operating system to the internet so that the system cannot update, as updates interfere with the operation of the 3D scanner. So, for scanning, I will need markers that will allow the 3D scanner to see the object being scanned in laser scanning mode. If you need to scan something very glossy, mirror-like, or transparent, you need to make the surface matte using a special spray. To do this, I use a method I saw on the internet. If you mix isopropyl alcohol and talcum powder or baby powder, you get an excellent matting spray that can be applied with a spray bottle. Pure isopropyl alcohol evaporates very well, and baby powder makes the surface matte. It is also easy to clean. Important: use respiratory protection and apply the spray in a well-ventilated area. I will not apply matting spray to this spoiler because its surface is not mirror-like. It is best to stick the markers randomly so that each part of the pattern is unique, making it easier for the 3D scanner to orient itself to the details. I stick the markers at a distance of 5 to 10 centimeters from each other. It all depends on the 3D scanner model and the scanning accuracy settings. The preparation process usually takes longer than the 3D scanning itself. It is not always possible to scan an object from all sides at once. In the 3D scanner software, you can scan an object from different sides in a single project and then stitch everything together into a single model. Some of the models I have created are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, Jack Design Lab. Before starting the scan, I create a new project in CrealityScan. An object such as a spoiler does not require high precision, so the scan resolution can be set to 0.5 millimeters or 1 millimeter. The higher this value, the less detailed the model will be. At the same time, the scan will be faster. The process of scanning this spoiler is not complicated. I tried scanning with a resolution of 0.5 millimeters and 1 millimeter. In the end, I set the resolution to 1 millimeter for this project. With this setting, the scanner quickly creates a point cloud. Creality Raptor can scan in two modes: blue laser mode and infrared mode. Infrared mode is suitable for scanning people. Blue laser mode is suitable for scanning various small and large objects. Color mapping mode captures the texture of an object. This requires good lighting. When scanning, the program can immediately exclude the plane on which the object is located. Exclude flat base. Point cloud setting. Object scanning. For the spoiler, I chose global marker. In this mode, I scanned all the markers on the object but did not scan the object itself. This is necessary for large objects. After that, the object itself is scanned. This way, the scanner is less likely to lose its orientation in space. After scanning, we get a point cloud rather than a finished model. When scanning, unnecessary objects and artifacts may end up in the point cloud. You can delete the unnecessary stuff. Next, point clouds can be converted into models. Select Scan, go to the Fusion tool, and configure the Fusion parameters. I choose Standard mode. In Fast mode, the program may display a message about insufficient RAM. I chose a resolution of 1 millimeter when scanning, so I will also choose 1 millimeter here. The noise removal setting works differently in different versions of the program. I currently have version 4.1.3.7 of CrealityScan. In this version of the program, this setting works correctly. I set the value to 10%. After merging the point cloud, the model can also be cleaned of artifacts. This scanner cannot automatically position itself in space, so you need to align the different parts of the scanned object. I select the Mesh Processing tab, the Alignment tool, and Auto mode. The program did a great job. The program allows you to simplify and smooth the model. You can also fill in holes. One side is missing from my final model because I scanned the spoiler vertically. But since the part is symmetrical, I will fix this in another program and send the finished STL file to my friend who owns this part. Using this part as an example, I wanted to show that 3D scanning is not a difficult process. I probably missed something in this video, but I plan to continue working with 3D scanning and want to make more videos about it. I am interested in designing custom parts for cars using scanning. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, everyone. See you soon.